guys, welcome to today's video. So today's video I am going to be showing you how I hydrate my hair. So this is kind of different from the way that I moisturize my hair. This is how I keep the moisture on my hair for a long period of time. And I'm telling you, if you do this routine and if you try it out with this method, you're going to see your hair thrive and you're not going to see a lot of dryness that you usually experience. So I usually do this hydration when it's very humid. So in the summertime, it's pretty hot, and as much as I hydrate my hair and as much as I spritz my hair with water, in the summer it's not enough. When it's humid and my hair just can't retain any moisture when it's that humid. Like, I'm talking very hot. When I was pregnant, I tried out this method of hydration and it worked for me. And during that time, I think June of last year, it was so humid, and I thought, you know what, I have to share this with you guys. It's pretty simple because we keep it simple out here on this channel. So this is freshly washed hair. I washed my hair and I deep conditioned, did all the things for wash day, and I haven't necessarily moisturized my hair, so it's a little bit dry because I left it. So the first thing I like to do is work in sections, and it's all about how you layer the products, guys. Layering the products is very important, and this is how I do it. When it comes to your hydration, you need something that is going to attract moisture and it's going to bring in moisture, and a humectant is one of them. And in this video I'm going to be sharing two humectants that I'm using. So the first product is my favorite. I am using, it's lavender water and 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerine. You need glycerine and water as your hydration. If you want to know how I made the lavender water, I will leave it in the description, and I'm gonna spray this onto my hair. What humectants do is they attract moisture into your hair. They just, attract moisture from the environment and put it in your hair. So the next thing that I apply after the lavender water is another humectant, which is, yes, this is my aloe vera gel. I know. It's my aloe vera gel. You guys, aloe vera is great for our natural hair. So what I like to do is apply it first towards the ends of my hair because that's where, I really want to focus on. And it's really, really good for shine, for softness. It's just the right product for your natural hair. And the last product that I'm going to be using is a cream. This is my almond cream. So for those of you who are interested in the product's name, I will leave them in the description. So this one is a French company. I don't think you guys would know about it, but yeah. So after we're done, we are going to tie our hair loosely. And as you guys can tell, I was not able to put the oil. That's going to be our last step. So watch the video till the end. Step number one, we apply all the humectants and the cream. Make sure our hair is hydrated, and then we are going to do that for the rest of the day. Okay guys, so I am done doing all the humectants and cream. So this is the next part of this routine that is very, very important, guys, because I don't use this when I'm moisturizing my hair, but it's only when I am hydrating. What I do is I use a plastic cup to generate heat. Before I go in the last step, which is sealing my moisture, I usually generate some body heat. So I'm gonna keep this on for 30 minutes, and then after that I will come back with the sealing products, which should be pretty simple. See you. Okay, so let's take this off. Okay, feels really soft. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna be applying my Shea butter. That's what I'm gonna be sealing with. Okay, my hair feels really soft right now. Then the next thing I'm gonna do is apply my rosemary oil. This is a DIY, just on the scalp, and then I'm gonna apply a little bit more to the rest of my hair, and a little more butter towards the ends of my hair. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna braid towards the ends of my hair, and then the rest of the hair I will twist it right, because I don't really want to create more tangles with my hair. Right towards the ends, I'm going to tie a knot, a bantu knot. So I'm gonna tie a knot just like this. That's about it, okay? And because this is a very big section, I'm gonna tie it with this so it doesn't unravel. This is also a way I protect this is how I protect my ends. Okay guys, so I am done with sealing my hair, and this is how we're doing. Wow, so I have like how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have like 7 big giant twists, and so this is how I'm gonna be wearing my hair for the rest of the week in these loose twists. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it how I'm going to be wearing it. So I'm gonna be putting it in this low band. So yeah guys, that's how I basically hydrate my hair. Usually this really lasts me for about a week, and sometimes probably during the week I can try to spritz some lavender and glycerine oil just right on top of this, and just pretty much that's it. And the key essential products that I want you guys to pick out from this video is the lavender, water and glycerine, plus our aloe vera gel. So that was it guys for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And what do you think about this guys? Like, what do you think about this? Have you tried this before? Have you tried a humectant? Have you used a humectant in your routine? Let me know in the comment section below. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys, and bye bye.